We often need a timer for certain things at home and at school. If we're at home, we may often need a timer to keep track of our 20 minutes of reading. And if we're at school, every week, one day, we have to do IXL diagnostic for 20 minutes. So we'll need to keep track of that. For that reason, I've loaded a timer on our Google Classroom that's really easy to use. Our timer will always be located in the current week. You can see right now we're in August 15th through the 19th. And sure enough, the first one right here says timer to use for reading, and that would be at home, and IXL. So I'm going to click on that. Down here is the link to the online timer. Again, I'm going to click on it. It takes me right to this handy dandy timer. And as I look at this timer, I want you to understand that the minutes are right here in the middle. These are the seconds, these are the minutes, and these are the hours. So right now, my timer is set for 15 minutes, but I'm thinking, uh-oh, I need my timer set for 20 minutes because that's how long I need to read, and that's how long I need to do IXL. So if you need to change the time, you're going to go right down here where the pencil is to edit. I'm going to click on it, and it brings up this. Here you see seconds, minutes, and hours. We really only need to worry about the minutes box. I need to take it up to 20 minutes. I know that's higher, so I'm going to click the up button to go higher. There I'm at my 20 minutes, and I'm going to click done. At home, if I'm reading, getting ready to read, I'm going to pull up this timer. I'm going to have my book ready, and I'm going to think, all right, here I go with my 20 minutes. So I'm simply going to click the start button. You'll notice that the time starts going down. When it gets all the way to 0, an alarm will sound, and that alarm will tell you that your 20 minutes is complete. Now, if I'm at home reading, there's a possibility that I get through reading a little bit, and then all of a sudden it's dinner time. And my mom or dad says, oh, I need to come eat dinner. All I need to do is click this pause button. It stops my timer. Then, after I've eaten dinner, helped with cleanup, whatever it is my parents want me to do, I can come back to my timer and I can click start. And again, it will continue going down to 0. When the alarm sounds, I'm done. If there's ever a point that you think, oh man, I just lost so track of time, I just need to reset and start over, that's what the reset button is for. So again, we'll get used to using this at school for IXL diagnostic, and you can also use this timer at home to keep track of your reading minutes.